Hi friends, my name is Matthew Cristiano and I'm a Raptor Rehab co-chair.
And I'm Aspen Settle. I'm also a co-chair.
So this is our resident raptor, Norman. He is a special kind of raptor called an owl, specifically a barred owl. Norman loves to live in forests where there are a lot of trees that he can hide in. But in 2018, he came to us with a few injuries. He hurt his collarbone, which made it super difficult for flying. He also had a retinal tear in his right eye. Norman was making a full recovery to be released back into his home. However, he injured his tail feathers and made it very difficult for him to fly. My friend Aspen here is going to talk about how important tail feathers are for owls.
In order to be released back into the wild, our owls have to pass 3 requirements. They need to be able to hear out of both of their ears, they need to be able to pass a hunting test, and they also need to be able to fly silently. In order to fly silently, they use their feathers. Owl feathers are serrated at the top. This helps air flow straight over them, and it does not make any noise. Contrast that to a hawk feather. It is very smooth, very straight, and when hawks flap their wings, you can hear a little bit of the rustling of air in the movement of their feathers.
Norman gets hungry just like we do. Some of his favorite foods are mice and small rodents. Norman isn't picky about what he eats because he'll also eat fish, frogs, and bugs. Yuck! Some of my favorite facts about Norman is that he is nocturnal. Nocturnal means he does all of his hunting and eating at nighttime, and he gets to sleep all day long. Even though Norman has really big eyes, his most important sense is his hearing. He needs to be able to hear his prey from far away. Norman is a great animal, and he is doing great at the School of Veterinary Medicine.